Hey guys, today I'm cleaning up the front and the rear shift rod for tactile and other shit. So, if we try it. Tactile, and so I used to cleanse it ready. So that's just one. Show you the rest later. Because I have to do some maintenance on the shifter lever and to drill out the tension pin to lose the lever. So I just go on and try to get it done, and it's too difficult to hammer it out. Okay, I did at least manage it to hammer it out. That way. That way. So. I'll take that's it, it's off. So now I'm going to paint the relay for the steering house, and in black Rust-Oleum high gloss, so that's protected for future rust problems who might come, but I don't believe so. I have to turn it around. So I've done also the clamps So nice and clean, shiny. This one also. This is the last one. Oh guys, I'm starting to mount the steering relay again. So take it from the upside. Okay. Okay, it's probably wrong. I got out where my battery is going. So, guys, the gearbox from the steering or the steering relay is installed, and all the 4 2 nuts here and 2 in the bottom there with the right torque 25 Newton meter, and finally installed the hardy bricks with 4 bolts and 4 nuts, each with 20 Newton meter, and also in here, look there, also with 20 Newton meter for the right torque. So now I have to do some other things, so I'm coming back later, and maybe I will cut a new video. So okay, today is okay, see you later, bye. So today I'm making a new gasket for closing the steering relay in the cabin for the steering column. That don't look so very good, so I think but I think I will manage it anyway. So, and now I have to do the inner circle. So, careful, careful. So, I think it went very well indeed. going this or what that way. I have to look in the cabin how that was done. It was that way when I'm correct. I don't. Oh. Or and done. We take it there where it belongs. Okay, see you later. Bye, guys. So hey guys, I did paint the fastening ring it. So start in. That's coming here. There. There. Oh, all fell down, but let's see. I managed to glue the gasket, so that can dry now. And till I get the fastening ring inside and put some small screws in it and fastening it. Okay, bye. So the fastening plate is installed. I just lost one little. Okay guys, I call it for the evening. It's done. It's about 1800 hours and I think it's enough for today. Wish you a nice evening. See you later. Bye. Hey guys, today I installed the last one of the hardy bricks for the coupling into the steering column who's going in here. So I coupled the steering column in these two holes here and went to torque it to 20 Newton meters for secure it. So that's it here in the car so far. I'm going outside and do some lag spraying work outside the door, and that I show you later. Okay, bye. It's March the 30th, the last winter surprise here in Norway. I hope so. See ya. Very nice for the last day on Wednesday. Okay, see you later, bye. Hi guys, going to paint this item from the south gear shaft and the gear shafts. Both very low. So and then it's going around. I also need to get on the Rustumwandler. Just this one. Hey guys, today at 31 from March I'm installing the fuel expansion tanks. So then is that the part of the up done. I just put the nut on and fasten it, and a little lighter to the right torque. Really see what's wrong there, so I have to check it out because it's coming out of the screw, but I have done the lower one on the right side.